Hi, I'm Jane Dearwester with McIntyre Elder Law. I'm here today to talk about wills and probate. I've had many clients come in and say, well, I'm so glad I never have to worry about probate because I have my will in place. Not quite correct, because the will is the guide through probate. So while we do a lot of estate planning trying to avoid probate, sometimes it's just inevitable. Probate is the legal process through which we clear title to your assets after your death. So in some cases, there are assets that can't be passed through survivorship interest or other methods like payable on death beneficiaries on bank accounts or other kind of financial accounts or life insurance. So certain things like vehicles sometimes are the thing that's left over that has to pass through probate. If you don't have any estate planning in place, maybe everything in your estate might have to pass through probate. But it's important to know that the will is your guide through probate. This is your recipe for what you want to happen with your stuff and who you want to serve as your executor or as the person in charge of making sure your estate is followed through properly, that the desires in your will are followed, and that everything is distributed to your heirs and beneficiaries in the way that you want it to be. It's important to know too, you get to choose how your beneficiaries and if your beneficiaries receive anything from your estate. There is no right or wrong. You don't have to leave anything to your kids. You can leave everything to charity. You get to choose this. And it's important to know as well, if you don't make a will or if you don't make these decisions, then state law is going to make those decisions for you. So good to know that a will doesn't avoid probate, but it does give your heirs, beneficiaries, and your executor a guide through the probate process. If you're interested in knowing more about probate and about how your will can help you through the probate process, please give us a call today. Let's set up a free consultation at our office nearest you. We're located in Hendersonville, Shelby, and Charlotte.